Are you searching for the secret to a blissful life? Look no further, because today, we're unveiling the answer. And it all starts with positivity. Positivity is like a magnet that attracts happiness into our lives. It's the power to see the bright side, even in the darkest of times. Surround yourself with positive people, nurture a positive mindset, and watch your life transform. But how can we cultivate positivity? It's simple, through gratitude. Appreciating the little things that bring us joy every day creates a ripple effect of happiness. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for, and you'll discover an abundance of reasons to smile. Another secret to a blissful life is self-care. Remember, you deserve love and care just as much as anyone else. Make time for activities that nurture your soul, whether it's reading a book, taking a bubble bath, or going for a walk in nature. Prioritizing yourself boosts your overall well-being. Additionally, spreading kindness can bring immense happiness into your life. A simple act of kindness, no matter how small, can brighten someone's day and create a ripple effect of positivity. So, make it a habit to spread kindness like confetti, and watch as the world around you becomes a brighter place. Each day is a new opportunity to embrace the beauty of life. Remember, happiness is not a destination, it's a journey. Embrace positivity, practice gratitude, prioritize self-care, and spread kindness along the way. So why wait? Unleash the secrets to a blissful life and start living your best, happiest, and most fulfilled life today. Thank you for watching this video on unveiling the secrets to a blissful life. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content. May your life be filled with positivity and happiness.